folks, a few new vegetable varieties wanted to share with you real quick. So we've got bush bean starts, so the Blue Lake bush beans are ready and started for you. We've got okra now available as well. There's a cantaloupe, the lilliput melon, which is a smaller cantaloupe. We've got the Moon and Stars watermelon, and then a couple of different squashes. So we've got the butternut squash as well as the spaghetti squash. Still a full range of tomatoes and peppers and sweet peppers. A couple of different zucchinis and the yellow squash for you as well, along with the herbs and the flowers to really round out the garden. So you can order online for store pickup. We are open at the farm here for you to browse as well, Monday through Saturday, 9 to 5, and we look forward to serving you.